This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage the end with the holes in the underside of the bonnet. Grasp the plug caps firmly and pull them from the spark plugs. Remove any dirt or debris from the spark plug recesses. Using a suitable spark plug socket, unscrew and remove each of the spark plugs. It is very often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of 8mm internal diameter rubber hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the cylinder head. Tighten the spark plugs to the specified torque. Push the spark plug caps firmly into their original location. Disengage the support prop and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.